Hello everybody, how are you? It's Remi here. I hope you are well. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a countdown for your live streams using Canva. Now, you might be thinking, well, why might I need a timer for my live stream? Well, there's a couple of reasons. You know, when you click live and there's a bit of a delay between when you actually go live and when the notifications reach your viewers and your audience, and there's a gap there. Sometimes it's around a minute or 90 seconds. Well, a countdown timer can be used to fill that gap. And you can also use a countdown timer if you want as a branding opportunity or an opportunity to tell your viewers about what is coming up in that episode, and it entices them to stay around a bit longer to watch your stream. So we're going to jump straight over now into Canva, and I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take. So this is the Canva dashboard, and to get started you have to click on this button, create a design, and scroll down to the video option. And the reason we choose the video option is because it gives you the right size for your live stream, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So we're going to click on video. So now we are inside of the right design and the right template to create your Canva countdown timer. Now, you can use Canva for free. So you can use this with a free account, or you can have a pro account where it's about £10 a month. Now, you can create a timer for free using the free account, but if you want more options of different types of videos, then you will have to upgrade to the paid account. And it's about £10 a month, and it's worth doing just for 1 month if you just want to come in, create your countdown timer, and then, you know, unsubscribe and go back to being on the free account. But it will give you the options to create, or it will give you the options to have more choice around what type of countdown timer you want to use for your live stream. So your first step is, now that you're on the right canvas, is to go over to the left navigation menu and scroll down to the videos option and click on videos. And then in the search bar, type in countdown 60. I'm looking for a 1 minute timer, so I'm putting in countdown 60, and you can see here that there are a whole raft of different options that you can use. Again, if you want a 30-second timer, just put in 30, or a 90-second timer, or if you want a 5-minute timer, you type into the search bar what it is you are looking for. So I'm looking for a 1 minute one, and I'm just going to grab one that I like, which is this one. I'm just going to click on it, and it automatically inserts the timer into the middle of the screen. Now, you can click and hold and move this timer around the screen. You can also resize it, so it doesn't have to stay this size. You can make it bigger, or you can make it as small as you like. And some of the options are that you could have a timer on a screen and perhaps have your logo to one side and your timer on another side. So we can position it here, and over here you could have some branding, you could have a background color, you could put your timer inside of a box or a frame. You can create whatever you like from the elements on the left hand side. But for now, I'm just going to keep this timer. I'm going to move it over to the left. I quite like this size, maybe a little bit bigger. And then I'm just going to add some text onto the screen, and I might write something like show starting soon. Okay, and then I'll stretch it and make it a larger font. So we have some text and we have a timer, and if you want to see what that looks like, you can just hit this play button up the top, and it will give you a preview of what your timer looks like. If you wanted to add a brand color to the background, you select the canvas, the template that you're working on, you hit the color selector up here, and you go in and choose a color. Okay, and that's how you would change the background to be on brand with your business. And if you wanted to add music to this, Canva does have its own selection of music. So if you go over to the left hand menu again and go and click on audio, you can now select from this vast menu some music to go with your video. Just click on it and it will play. And that music is now added to this video. And it's that simple to create a countdown timer inside of Canva. And so when you're ready to download your video, if you go up to the download video button, you hit the button and it gives you the option to download it in MP4 format, and you hit the download button. MP4 files generally take longer to download than just your picture images, so I will fast forward this bit. So now your countdown timer video has been downloaded to your computer. You can upload it to your streaming program. I use StreamYard, so I'm going to hop over into StreamYard now and show you how to add this into StreamYard to use for your live stream. Okay, so we're in StreamYard and we're going to enter the broadcast studio, and I'm going to go over to the right hand side and I'm going to click on brand. And then I'm going to scroll down to the section that's called video clips. And then there is a plus symbol here which allows you to upload your video clip. So now I'm going to upload the newly created countdown timer. So it is now being uploaded into StreamYard, and now it is ready to play on your live stream. So I'm going to click on it now to give you a show of what it looks like. So there we go. It plays the background, the countdown timer, the text that you've put in, and some audio. Of course, you can edit this to your liking. If you don't want music, that's absolutely fine. I want to add some elements to it, you can also do that, but it's really a simple process to follow. I hope you found this really useful so that you can implement now with ease. It's not too complicated, a countdown timer into your live stream that you can make inside of Canva. Thank you so much for watching.